Hi. I don't know what to say. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evelyn. I know, it's been a little over a year since I've made a video, but you know what? I decided to come back, and what better way to come back than with a part 2 to my last video. I have been wanting to make videos for a while, and I just couldn't find myself to do it for some strange reason, but I took this as a sign, you know, like I did my last video on the Desi and Katy collaboration, and then they came out with the part 2, so I was like, it's a sign, I have to. So enough with that. If you want to see how I got this makeup look and also see the swatches to the Desi and Katy, if you haven't already, then please keep on watching. So I have already prepped and primed my face. I have put on my foundation, I have done my bronzer, blush, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the rest and go ahead and open this pretty girl up. We're starting with the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, which is definitely the must-have of the collection. When you open it up from left to right, it goes Basic, Jeans, Necessary, Dirty Money, which is the sparkly green one, A Moment, and then the bottom, the pink one, Try Me, Just a Kiss, Girl Bye, Churro, and Game Over. So we're gonna go ahead and look into the swatches now. The first one is Basic. It's barely there, but it's really pretty for transition. Next is Cheens, which is short for cappuccino. The color describes it all, honestly. We're following it with Necessary, a very pretty muted brown that applies darker on the eyes, followed by Dirty Money, sorry. This one, oh, such a pretty gold and green reflex shadow. Next is A Moment. Let's just have a moment for this shadow. Try Me, a beautiful pink sparkly eyeshadow, followed by Just a Kiss, which is probably my staple color in this collection. This is the one that I'm going to be using for my look today. Then we have Girl Bye, which is a cranberry color, which is so pretty and also beautiful for all over the eye, followed by Churro, which that's described by its food, milky and great. And finally we have Game Over, which is a sparkly black. Now we are moving on to the lips. This one is my main, which has literally become my all-time favorite lip until now. You can wear this with makeup, with no makeup, just by itself, and it is beautiful. My favorite lip. I obviously had to restock on the over the top gloss because it is my favorite, and I can't risk running out of it and not having it in stock again. And last but not least is the gloss, The Most. It is a beautiful color. It is clear. It's a sister to Over the Top, and when you apply it to the lip, it's clear, but the reflexes are very cherry-like and red. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the eye process. And I'm going to go in with, let's see, I'm going to go in with Necessary. I'm going to tap into that color, and we are going to go ahead and fill in the eyes. So I like to bring out my eyeshadow this way, kind of creating like a sharp line with the shadow, sharp wing, just so that it, I don't know, I feel like it complements my eye personally, or just, that's just the way I like it when I do my makeup. So I'm going to go in with this darker brown here, which is called Churro, and I'm going to dab into it and kind of bring it more toward the bottom crease, so the lower part of my lid, but also into the crease. I'm gonna go in with Girl Bye, which is this red one. I love adding a little red to my eye. It's been my thing for the past year. I don't know, I just love having red in my eye. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with Girl Bye. And we're gonna go ahead and put that even more toward the center of the lid. We're gonna pretty much put that all over the lid. And then okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my finger and go into Just a Kiss, because why not? I mean, I think that's the color I've been most excited for. So let's try it out. Look at that pigment. Do you see that? I guess see that. I barely even touched it. I'm scared. Please work. Please look gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is, oh, so pretty. This is perfect. Perfection. It is so, so gorgeous. It's like, the more you pack it, the more wet and vibrant it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with, what was it? Necessary, which is this one right here, Necessary, and I'm going to fill in my under eye. So I went in with Necessary, and now I'm gonna go in with Churro in the bottom line, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that on the outer side and probably a little bit in the inner, so I could go in with the red toward the middle of the eye. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna go ahead and use Necessary, which is the red color, and put that, this one, on the rest of the bottom line. I'm gonna go ahead and use that same color I used on the lid as my inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna go in with an Alamar Cosmetics brush and just go ahead and pack it into the center. Into the, oh dang it, I forgot what this is called. Inner corner highlight. There you go. Glittery goodness. Glittery goodness. Okay, so now that I'm done with the eye itself, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of eyeliner and go ahead and put some lashes off of camera, and then we'll move on to the lips. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the lash is applied, top and bottom. Now I'm going to go in with some highlight and go ahead and highlight my cheeks. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Desi and Katy Fuego, which is also part of their collaboration. They did bring this back, so you are able to get it if you like how it applies. You're able to see that? Just a little to the nose and just above up here. And I would put it in love. a nose highlight. My sister doesn't. She hates it whenever I do her makeup and I put nose highlight. She's like, ugh. Yeah. She always takes something off when I do her makeup. She always has to take something off. Either the lipstick or the highlight or the contour. Yeah. So now it's time to try the thing I have been waiting for, which is the lip stuff. I have been waiting to put this on my lips for a while, so finally I'm excited. Anyway, I only ordered two new lip products from the things they launched, and then everything else is just a restock because I was running low. This is how much I used. I stopped using it because I didn't know they were going to bring it back. This restock was a surprise, and that's why I obviously had to stock up on two of them, because, you know, if I can finish this one now and then I can start using this one, and I just had to. The two new products I ordered from their collection for the lips was the new lip gloss they came out with, which is a sister to Over the Top, and one of their velvet lips, I believe. It's a velvet, so it doesn't dry matte and it hydrates your lips, I believe. So yeah, these were the two I was the most excited about, and one of them is my main, which is a nude, as to be expected. So I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to go ahead and put some gloss over it just so you can see what it looks like. So this color is beautiful. It is stunning. It reminds me a lot of More Creamer Please, a darker shade to it, so it complements really nicely. So right away I can feel the difference of this lipstick. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like it's moving on my lips, but it definitely doesn't feel like it's dry. So it doesn't feel matte, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna move, and it's really comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the most what it looks like. Oh, I can see the pinky red reflexes. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the most on top of my main. So this is my main, and then topped with the most gloss from the collection. It is honestly a really pretty combo. I dig it. It's honestly gorgeous. And then in person you can see the cherry reflex to it, which is honestly, it makes it look it makes it a lot prettier. So I'm excited to have this again in my. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching my second review of the part 2 Desi and Katy collaboration with Dose of Colors. I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope that comes out very soon. So I'll see you next time. Bye.